Hi guys, and welcome to another tutorial. Today's tutorial is a super easy French fishtail into a ponytail. You want to start off by brushing your hair, and then you're going to take a section right at the top of your head and to make it easier, if you're not used to fishtail braiding, just tie a small elastic around your hair. And it keeps the braid tighter if you're fed up of getting loose braids. So you're going to split the hair you've got wrapped up in a hair elastic into two, and you're going to take outside sections and take them over to the other section. And when you start adding in hair, you're going to take in hair from your hairline and take it over to the other section. So you cross the strand over as you have been doing, and then you pick up hair from your hairline and cross that hair over to the other section. Then you're just going to repeat these steps all the way to the nape of your neck. Then when you get to the nape of your neck, tie the remaining hair into a ponytail, and if you want, take a section of hair from the back of your ponytail, wrap it round the hair elastic and pin it with a bobby pin. This hairdo will be perfect for school, the gym, for every day really. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find it helpful. Please subscribe.